Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great and welcome to PyTroops. In this series, we are going to be developing different Python bots such as Facebook bot, Instagram bot, Tinder bot and Twitter bot. This series is going to be a really amazing series for you guys if you want to enhance your skills as a programmer. So stay tuned and let's get started. So in this video we're going to be learning how to set up Selenium for Python and install the Chrome driver for Selenium to automate it. So first you guys have to go to cmd command prompt and type here pip install Selenium. If you guys have already installed it, you will get this output, otherwise you will be installing it. So after that, after installing Selenium, I'm going to create a new Python file. So I'm going to save it as in my desktop folder in this script.py. So after saving it, I'm going to just import Selenium. So after that you will be running it by Ctrl+B. So if you don't get any error, it means that you have installed Selenium successfully. After that you have to go to your Chrome and just go to this menu bar and go to About Google Chrome and just check your Chrome browser version here, and then you will have to go to this website. I'll be providing link of this website in the description, and you have to install the Chrome driver from this website. As you can see, my Chrome browser version is this, so I'm gonna be continuing with this version. As you can see, you just have to click it and you just have to install it for Windows this, for Mac this, and for Linux this. After installing it, you will simply go to that particular folder where you install and you created the script file. So when I'm opening it, I will be, first of all, I'll be importing the web driver for the Selenium. After that, as it has imported the web driver from Selenium, we will be creating a variable like driver path. You guys can provide it here, this path, as you have installed it in the similar folder. If you install it anywhere else, so you can just go to there and copy this part also. So first of all, I'm gonna just type it here, Chrome, just copy the name from here and paste it into your Python file .exe. If you installed it anywhere else, so you just have to go to this path or in that folder and paste that path in here. So as I have downloaded it in the similar folder, so I am just giving it a name. So after that, I'm gonna be creating another instance for web driver dot. You have to make sure this is the capital C. Okay, so after that you have to pass this variable here, and then you can just open any website from it. I'm just gonna open simple website, which is PyTroops.xyz. It's a website. You can also check it for the latest updates and other information. So we just type driver.get and we will write here our website name, such as, if we go to our website PyTroops XYZ, as you can see it here, you just have to copy the link from here and paste here. Okay, so I'm gonna be closing this now, and it will just open the web driver and search for this website. When I run this script, So it's opening the WebDriver and looking for their website. This website can be any website, like if I'm going with such as google.com, so it will just open the Google, like you can see it here. So if you guys like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe our channel. We are doing our best for this channel, and I'll be uploading the next episode really soon. I'll be creating a social media bot for you guys, so stay tuned and be productive.